Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are
on the off-ramp. In this video, you're going to see Wade and I rip over to Vancouver Island to see our kids. We have some mishaps on the way. We have some beautiful scenery to take you to and some great spots that we spent the night. We arrived too early to get to the ferry. I mean, that's us getting there early. So we're supposed to be on the ferry at 4, and it's about noon now.
We're supposed to be there before 3.
Oh yeah, before 3, but our sail is at 4. 2:45 is when we can come. So we were there too early. It's noon now. And we saw, as we were leaving the ferry terminal, we saw this roadside, people sitting on the roadside and fishing, beaching. So we found this road coming out of Tsawwassen, and we're gonna hang out here for 2.5 hours. It's a little bumpy, but I think it's better than sitting at the mall.
We're not in a hurry.
We're not in a hurry, and she suggested that we sit in the mall. Was that a good idea?
In the mall, no.
Yeah.
You know, where you park it makes it home. And right now we're parked near Tsawwassen, waiting for the ferry. We have 4 o'clock reservations, but we got here early. Sit here, had a little lunch, get to enjoy the view, and the herons coming in. Yeah, there's one dangerous heron. He's in stalker mode. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. He's in stalker mode. I think somebody's encroaching on his territory. He doesn't like that. It's a slow motion chase, the speed of a heron. I guess he got away far enough.
Okay, we are the first on this ship.
Except for that semi-truck.
Oh, there. Yeah, for loading today, I think we are the first one. This is pretty cool. Because that means we're the first one off too.
Oh.
Right?
Oh, I don't know where he's gonna put us.
Way over there. It's a big parking lot. Okay, I don't know when this truck got on here, but in terms of other vehicles, we're first.
He maybe couldn't get started to get off because he's sitting back there.
Yeah. Good thing I did get ready. I thought we were like close.
I know.
Deck upstairs the whole time, enjoyed the sun and the views, and can't wait to see our kids tonight. Through a roundabout connection, we really appreciate that this host is willing to share their driveway with us, and it was an opportunity to meet great people. Something about a parking pad. Keep going and we'll see it next to the garage. And this is the garage. They've got their van, their LTV there.
Your destination is on the right.
That's my guess. There's something to be said about traveling in a leisure travel van that allows us to camp on other people's yards. And we found a place here in Victoria that is absolutely stunningly beautiful, right on a harbor or in a bay, and we get to camp on their yard. So we're going to take a walk down to the waterfront. The view of the ocean front is spectacular. Not far from the driveway program that we're staying at, our host was telling me that there's pathways. And if you see one with a blue post, it leads to the water. So I'm being drawn to the water. Here I am. And our host was also telling me that the seals have had their pups. So there's quite a few seals in abundance. So I'm hoping I might be able to find some on the seashore somewhere. This is beautiful here. And I found another one. Beacon Hill Park, Sooke Point Park, Holland Point, Macaulay Point. Over the years, these are just some of the parks that we've been able to enjoy when visiting Victoria. There are many parks scattered throughout the city. Darling, for you.
The puppy princess.
And while visiting Vancouver Island, there are many other things you can visit, such as this Peninsula County Market and many, many markets all around the region. The Moss Street Paint-In is an annual arts festival held in Victoria, and our driveway camping host mentioned it to us. This art expo on the closed street features over 170 artists stretched over a mile of Moss Street and typically draws over 50,000 visitors annually. Well, according to what we've read anyway.
Guys get lost?
Sitting here at a food truck stop, grabbing something to eat before we head back into Victoria. Sam's playing a guitar he found hanging in the tree there.
It said play this.
It said play this, yeah. Dad's in charge of the pups. This is it. And we're gonna have some oven-fired pizza for a snack.
All right. Well, it's easier to grab from the side this way, so. Wow. Wow.
Hot, hot, hot.
Use that as a table, I guess.
Yeah. As our plate.
Now, camping in Victoria does have some challenges. The city is very clear that they do not want people parking overnight on the streets, and we wanted to follow those rules, so we had to find something else.
So the driveway that we were able to get, we were so glad for that. Campgrounds were full in the area. There was no way we could count on last minute planning like we usually do.
If you've liked this video, please take the time to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you.
As we head east and make our way home, we do have a few plans, but we also have some plans for August. So stick with us and watch our videos. But you know, we like to hold our plans loosely.